Hi, I'm Emmy. Welcome to Yoga with Em. Here's Missy. She seems to want to join in too. We're going to do a sequence called Twisting the Dragon. It's got some great shapes. We've got especially belly of the dragon. We're going to have heaps of fun with that. It's a sequence designed by Paul and Suzee Grilley. It's one of their yin-yang flows, and we're really going to be working on the torso muscle groups and also strengthening in the lower body. So come and join me on the mat. Twisting the dragon. Start in a wide stance, legs much wider than hip width, nice and wide. All right, perhaps let's start with hands at Dantian, energy center, just below the navel. Take a moment to ground down evenly through the feet, just settling in here, rolling the shoulders back and down, lengthening through the crown of the head. We're going to inhale, circle the arms and gather the chi. So gather the energy, bring it down to Dantian. Breathe. Inhale again, circling the arms, gathering the chi, and this time arms open out to open horse, low squat. We're going to transition here to side angle. So lean over to your right and just anchor down the pinky toe edge of the left foot. Now we're going to open out this side angle. So perhaps taking a look a little behind you. Sweeping the arms down. This is called twisting the dragon. It's a revolve lunge. So place the left hand down, right arm lifts, perhaps gaze behind you. Bringing both hands to the mat, three-legged dog. So sweep the right leg up through to the sky. This is so much fun. Belly of the dragon. Sweep the right leg out in front of you and then left hand sweep that behind. Ooh. Nice, hey. Bring the hand back down. Sweep the right leg to the sky. Three-legged dog. This is called the tail of the dragon. So we're bringing this in now, stepping it through, and we're going to walk the elephant. So back through to an elephant, forward fold. Inhale as you roll on up, gathering the chi. Take it to the heaven. Exhale, Dantian. All right, let's inhale. Exhale, open horse. Sink nice and low. As you exhale, take that side angle. But then gaze over and behind. Bring the hand down onto the floor. So right hand touches down and left hand reaches on up. Twisting the dragon. Both hands down, three-legged dog. So the left leg sweeps to the sky. So we're swinging our tail of the dragon. Belly of the dragon, left leg, step it through, open up. Missy's come to join us for this one. Place the hand down, three-legged dog. We're swinging the tail of the dragon. Step it on through and walk that trunk of the elephant. So we're back into a fluid forward fold. And now inhale as you roll on up. Take it up to the heaven. And settle down at Dantian. Beautiful. Thank you for joining me for Twisting the Dragon. I hope you enjoyed that sequence. Namaste.